That is on page 697. All right, the focus question today is what are the names of segments that intersect a circle and how are they used? What are the names of segments that intersect a circle and how are they used? So let's define a circle. A circle is a set of points equal distance from a given point. The center. A set of points equal distance from a given point. The given point is the center. All right, so this would be referred to as circle C, or the little symbol, or the symbol is just a small circle with a dot in the middle of it and the letter C. Those are both names for this circle. Circle C and the symbol circle C. All right, the first segment that intersects a circle is called a radius. And that's a segment with endpoints on the center and the circle. A segment with endpoints on the center and the circle. So, right here. Segment CD is a radius. You can also put that the radius is equal to the diameter, or D, divided by 2. The radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. Chord. Chord is a segment with endpoints on the circle. A segment with endpoints on the circle. So any segment that you draw inside of a circle where its endpoints touch the circle is a chord. So there's a chord. These are all chords. Diameter. Is a chord. A diameter is a chord that passes through the center. All right, the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. In this diagram up here, segment AB is a chord. Segment AC is a chord. All right. Now, if segment AC also goes through a point in the center of the circle, then AC is a chord and it's the diameter. All right, concentric circles. Concentric circles are coplanar and have the same center. Concentric circles are coplanar and have the same center. So here's a picture of concentric circles. Ooh, it's not too good. Yeah, it's not too good. Okay, so it's a circle inside of another circle or a circle outside of a circle. They both have the same center, just different radiuses. They lie in the same plane, they have the same center, just have different radiuses. Circumference of a circle. is the distance around the circle. The formula for circumference. Circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. Or you can use the formula circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. The pi button is on your calculator, and it's 2 below the second button on the left-hand column. So if you turn your calculator on and you hit the pi button, it gives you 3.14. Here's a couple other formulas you'll want to have. All right, look, guys. If circumference is equal to pi times diameter, all right? If circumference equals pi times diameter and you divide both sides by pi, then circumference over pi equals the diameter. Okay? So if you're given the circumference and you're asked to find the diameter, we'll divide it by pi. If circumference equals 2 times pi times r, so if circumference equals 2 pi r, if you divide each side by 2 pi, then doesn't circumference divided by 2 pi equal the radius? All right, these will cancel out. So the radius is equal to the circumference divided by 2 times pi. So I think there's some problems in your assignment today where you're given the circumference of a circle and you're asked to find the radius. Given the circumference, asked to find the radius, divide it by 2 pi. Okay? All right, a few more definitions. A polygon is inscribed in a circle if all vertices lie on the circle. A polygon is inscribed in a circle if all vertices lie on the circle. All right, in this case, triangle ABC is inscribed in circle O. Triangle ABC is inscribed in circle O. And at the same time, a circle is circumscribed about a polygon. A circle is circumscribed about a polygon if it contains all the vertices. Alright, so in this case, circle O contains the 3 vertices of triangle ABC. So you can say that circle O is circumscribed about triangle ABC. Does anybody have any questions about any of those definitions or finding the circumference, radius, or diameter of a circle? Yes, sir.
Can you repeat the finding the diameter and radius thing?
Yeah. Given circumference equals, I don't know, 32. Find the radius. Alright, given the circumference equal to 32, find the radius. So if you know circumference equals 2 pi r, circumference equals 2 times pi times r. If you're given the circumference, you can say that 32 equals 2 times pi times r. So if you need the radius, you could divide each side by 2 pi, and if you simplify this, 32 over 2 is equal to 16. So 16 over pi is equal to the radius. And then if you take your calculator and take 16 and divide by pi. Just push the pi button. Type 16 divided by and push the pi button. And then hit equals. And you're going to get 5.09 equals the radius. Okay? If you're given circumference, given the circumference equals 20, find the diameter. Alright, you know that circumference equals pi times the diameter. Again, if you're given the C, substitute it. So 20 equals pi times diameter. If you divide both sides by pi, take in your calculator 20 divided by pi button and equal sign. So 6.37 equals the diameter. Any other questions?